Alright, stop smirking. Hi guys, I have a few words of explanation before we get into the video. Unfortunately, majority of the footage you're gonna see had to be done in a voiceover form because I was on a very strict deadline, so I couldn't stop and explain as I was going along. In this project, we'll begin with fabricating front headboard and a rear headboard, and then later on some cap-ins. If you're unsure what a headboard or the cap-ins are, I'll give you a very brief description. The front and the rear headboard is what defines the start and the finish of a truck, or main body of a truck, as there is more behind it. And the cap-ins are there for me to be able to make a lock-in system for the drop side and then attach a safety rail. And I hope you enjoy the video. Hi guys, welcome to AsaturStudios, where we started a project F. We're building a truck. I've got my mate Liam. Come on in, let's introduce you. Or blame the lag.
Hello.
He's here to help me out with the fabrication, the welding, the problem solving. Then I've also got Yoshi. Come on, Yosh. Okay, I'll wave there. He's my cameraman and the editor. We're missing one more person, which is my first aider. She couldn't make it today, but hopefully on the next one I'll be able to introduce you. So let's get to it. To begin with, we started bringing a required box section from bottom workshop to the top shop for building the front headboard. Liam's job was to cut steel to specific sizes according to our technical drawings. Meanwhile, I went off to do some much needed maintenance on my glorious hair. After finishing my daily hair maintenance, I made a start on preparing the ready cut steel for assembly of the first headboard. What is there to prepare once it was cut to size? Well, there are two reasons. Firstly, it's for our own safety. Cleaning the sharp edges means eliminating the risk of cutting ourselves while handling the steel. Secondly, taking off minimal amount of the scale around the weld areas simply means I have to use less amps for a good strong weld, and at the same time I'm reducing the chance of a heat warp. Just before we started to assemble the first headboard, I went to cut some wood for packers to lift and isolate the steel off the ground, simply because it makes it easier to weld and keep things as straight as I can. And finally, we begin the fabrication process.